Hello guys, so I'd like to announce this free little mini course. Now on Udemy, you can do a free course as long as it's under 2 hours. That's what I've done here, guys. And so the purpose of this course is to let you know how the main bigger course will be, the creative sci-fi design. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out this free course, be sure to do so. And if you like what you see, consider giving the creative sci-fi design course a try. The creative sci-fi design course is still growing, and even though I think it's got a good amount of content right now, it's got over 20 hours of content, I do have plans for even more vehicles, and a lot more creative vehicles are on the horizon. So this little free course, it just covers, I make this simplified little truck, a very basic truck, guys, and I also show you how you can render it in Max, and also show you how you can make little variations of it. So it's just there to kind of whet your appetite for the bigger course and show you how the workflow goes on, and how I work with the hotkeys, how I work with plasticity, and how I very quickly make variations in designs. So be sure to check that out, guys. I managed to squeeze in a good amount of content under 2 hours. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.